Hey guys, Jamie Lee here with Progressive Programming, talking about our upcoming month, May, our strength and power focus. Now, we are coming out of April, which our main focus was our base and balance, the beginning of our current mesocycle, and also the beginning of our macro cycle to prepare ourselves and progress towards the 2022 open season. Now, talking back on our base and balance, we're coming out of our deadlift focus, which was really more of a matter of just working on the foundation and building the pattern to pick something up safely from the ground, heavy as well. Then we also had our secondary strength, which was a superset of back squat, high bar back squat specifically, into a dumbbell bench press. Now remember, the high bar back squat, our main focus with that is to work on more of an upright torso and quality of that range of motion, because that's gonna help us prepare for what we're gonna see come June. Now, going from April into May, our strength and power focus, we're going to be translating our secondary strength from April into May. That's going to be our back squat. So our back squat is going to be our primary strength for this upcoming month of our strength and power. Now, along with our secondary strength from last month, our dumbbell bench press, we're going to translate that instability or open torque environment into a vertical press with a barbell, working with a strict press into a push press complex. So that's going to be, the strict press will be the limiting factor, but you will notice that the rep scheme, the volume is going to descend throughout the month while we increase the intensity in order to finish out the month with a 3 rep max push press. Along with that complex, we will be supersetting a dumbbell bent over row, so single arm 3-point row, to work as a little bit of an accessory component to our pressing overhead. Now, our gymnastics skills. Now, talking back on our base and balance, we focused on our balance. It was a lot of core and balance exercises to really work on midline stability and developing stability through really our balancing into our upper body. Now, what we want to do for this next month is we're going to take our body weight and work on a little bit more of the strict movement pattern. So we've got some strict pull-ups, kipping pull-ups. We're gonna be practicing the kipping pull-ups. We're also gonna be working on some other skills like the jump rope, as well as implementing some volume for some push-ups, some squatting patterns, not just some air squats, but we're gonna be doing some wall balls, okay? Now, the idea with the wall balls and how it's gonna translate into our strength and power, we're working with our strength with our back squat and our press. The power is going to really kick in play with our push press and the throwing that we're going to be doing with the ball. Now, we've got some stuff going on with some strict throws, some wall ball throws, and then at the same time, we're also implementing some strict pull-up, weighted pull-up patterns as well. So we want to think about maintaining quality range of motion, and working within our capacity to maintain consistency. The reason for, we want to be building up some volume and quality volume as we head into the end of the month, which we will be doing Murph on Memorial Day. Now, just to kind of recap and talk about that back squat, which is our primary strength after last month's secondary strength, we're going to work on that high bar back squat again. So maintain that very vertical torso. So that way when we transfer into our upcoming month, our last month of this mesocycle, is gonna be a hang squat clean, or a squat clean, which is gonna require that upright torso. So taking that bar from back into the front, but then we're gonna add some skill and speed to it, okay? So a couple other notables for this month. We are gonna see a 1 mile run, and this is gonna be at the beginning of a workout. It is gonna be a separate score, there's a brief rest in between. So we do want to kind of use this as a chance to collect some data, maybe not a full all-out 1 mile run, but at least let's run it hard and get a chance to feel what it's going to be like going from that mile run into some work, okay, and then finishing out with another mile, or another run, not a mile. We're also going to be testing a 2K row, so this is going to be a standalone time trial 2K. So we want to remember, we're trying to collect some data for these time domains, so that way we can have an idea as far as what we're going to be seeing in the upcoming future. So, some fun stuff going on this upcoming month. Base and balance last month, strength and power this month, And then next month, you'll see some speed and technique. All right, guys, have fun.